In this video, we are going to learn how to solve real-world division problems using the standard algorithm, step by step. You will learn the skills needed to become proficient in solving any division problem. If you are ready, let's go.
Let's use this example. There were 4,632 cars in a parking lot. How many groups of 8 cars were there? The steps are divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. We begin by asking, how many groups of 8 can we get out of 4? Since we cannot get a group of 8 out of 4, we place a 0 over the 4 as a placeholder. Now let's look at the first 2 digits, 46. How many groups of 8 can we get out of 46? Looking at the 8 times table, we see that 8 times 5 is 40, which is the closest without going over. So we place a 5 over the 6. Next, we multiply 8 by 5, which gives us 40, and place its product under 46. Now we move to step 3, which is to subtract. Subtracting 40 from 46 gives us 6. Remember to keep your numbers lined up at all times to prevent errors and keep your work neat. Our next step is to bring down the next digit to the right of the 6, which is the number 3. We now have 63 and will repeat the steps. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Now we ask, how many groups of 8 can we get out of 63? Referring to the times table, 8 times 7 is 56, the closest without going over. So we put 7 above the 3. We multiply 8 times 7, which is 56. Next, we subtract 56 from 63. Subtracting 56 from 63 gives us 7. Our next step is to bring down the next number to the right, which is 2. We now have our new number, 72. We ask, how many groups of 8 can we get out of 72? We know that 8 times 9 equals 72, so we place 9 in the quotient. Multiply 8 by 9, which is 72, and subtract 72 from 72, which equals 0. We found that there are 579 groups of 8 cars. Good job! Now, try to solve the next problem on your own. Pause the video and use your mathematical skills to try this one on your own. Then check your answer. The problem is, there were 8,793 cars. How many groups of 9 cars were there? Remember to follow the steps. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down, keeping your numbers aligned. It is now time to check your answers. Are you ready? There are 977 groups of 9 cars in the parking lot. You can see the step-by-step solution here. Math is fun when we know what we are doing. Practice so you can grow your mathematical muscles. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more quick ways to solve math problems.